Hi everyone! Familiar ka na ba sa Sun Legacy or Generational Legacy? Yung papamana mo talaga. Lifetime, until age 100. So this plan, Sun Legacy 2, dahil 2 years to pay lang po ito. This is the only plan na 2 years to pay ni Sun Life. And then, good for income continuation, retirement, save for milestone, pwede rin sa education, or estate preservation, no? Lalo na pwedeng accepted age dito is age 0, pwede ma-insure hanggang age 55. Okay? So, pwede siya sa mga lolo't lolo na gusto i-insure yung anak or yung apo. Pwedeng-pwede, no? So, this is the life insurance protection, secure loved one's future with guaranteed life insurance protection equal to 125% of the total original premiums paid from day 1 of the coverage up to age 100. So, yan. At, syempre, ang habol talaga natin dito sa plan na to is lifetime guaranteed cash benefit. Meaning, you receive an annual guaranteed cash benefit equal to 2.15% of the total original premiums paid beginning a year after the end of the premium until maturity. Okay, kung 2 years to pay ito, after 2 years, makaka-receive na ng every year na guaranteed cash benefit. So, living benefit naman, pwedeng ma-loan yung cash value in case of emergency, and you have also earned guaranteed non-guaranteed dividends which may receive in cash or live with Sun Life to accumulate. Though kahit hindi siya guaranteed, never naman na pumalya si Sun Life sa pagbibigay ng dividends dahil part ng kinita ni Sun Life ay bibigay sa mga client while they're living. Or you can receive it in cash yearly or leave it with Sun Life para mas mag-grow pa siya. Kung halimbawa, hindi nyo pa naman kakailanganan nyo this year, pwede nyo naman still let it stay in Sun Life para mag-grow. Meanwhile, a portion of base amount may also be availed in advance should you be diagnosed to be terminally ill. So meaning, kapag terminally ill, pagka yan yung living benefit rider, no? Pag sinabi na ng doktor na 12 months or less to live, magtaning na talaga yung buhay. So, part nun, 60% ng binayad nyo is ibibigay sa inyo. So, yan, conveniently, annual payment lang po ito na 2 years to pay. So, yung face amount na nilagay ko is 1 million. And the initial coverage, 2.5 million. Then, guaranteed cash benefit every year is 86,000. So, imagine, no, after 2 years, ang sample na po natin dito is insured yung bata na 0 age pa lang, baby pa lang, no? After 2 years, meron na siya 86,000. Imagine, anong gagawin niya sa 86,000? Pwede pambili naman diaper niya o kaya pag school na siya or birthday. Okay? O kaya ikaw muna as a payor, as a lolo or parent, lola, ganyan, or mama or dad, 'di ba? As a parent, ikaw muna yung makikinabang na 86,000. Okay? Habang hindi mo pa pinapasa sa kanya. Puwede mo ipasa ito as, policy owner sa anak kapag adult na siya. Kung saan dun na siya, siya na yung makikinabang ng 86,000 until age 100 niya. And then kapag on the event of death talaga ng insured nung which is di pa naman natin habol yun dahil mahaba pa naman bubuhay si baby, yung future generation niya, okay, yung kanyang future family, makikinabang nung life insurance niya. Yan. So, yung ganda dito, generational legacy talaga siya. Na pag may sobra kang pera sa bangko na hindi naman na tumutubo, this is also available. Money, whatever happens sa'yo, in case of emergency, naka-ready. This is money that will work for you while you sleep. Okay, so ito yun na yung illustration ng mga benefits, no? Yung sinabi ko kanina, guaranteed endowment benefit or payout after 2 years, age 2, 86,000. 86,000, consistent money, passive income. Pwede rin hanggang pension yan, no? Hanggang age 100. Okay, and then after 2 years, ito next column, endowment, accumulated endowment. Kung hindi mo i-withdraw yung 86,000 every year. So, halimbawa, 18 mo pa siya withdraw, pang college talaga. So, nag-accumulate na yan ng 1.9, ay nasa to, at the age of 18. 2 million, mga nasa 2.1 million na, pang college. Imagine na lang kung saan siya nag-aral niyan. Any course, any school, pwedeng-pwede, no? O kaya hanggang ano, hanggang age, pagka gusto mo, wedding gift, age 30, doon siya nagpakasal. Di may 4.9 ka pang pwedeng ibigay sa kanya, wedding gift. And also, pag nagkapamilya na siya, meron pa rin siya ma-receive na 86,000. Pwede niya rin pang business yan eh, kung hindi niya withdraw agad eh. So, imagine, marami business mapapatayo dyan. Talagang generational wealth ito. And then, accumulate itong endowment benefit till age 100 until 147 million. Million po ang value nito, no? Kapag hindi wini-withdraw. Ang maximum benefit ng endowment niya. Then, next column, additional cash benefit. Yung second cash benefit is dividend. So, yearly po meron nito. Meron ka ng yearly endowment, meron ka pang yearly withdrawable na dividends, no? 12,000 sa first year, nagiging 38, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9, 60, 61,000, 63,000, 63, 63, 65, 67, 68. Hanggang 70,000, no? Yearly po meron yan. So, yearly po. Ang next column, accumulated dividends. Kung hindi naman, withdraw, nag-accumulate to 4.5%. Usually, sa ibang plan ni Sun Life, yung accumulation dividends is 4.2% lang. Pero dito sa plan na to, tanging Sun Legacy lang ang 4.5%. So, dito talaga, mas benefit talaga si client sa plan na to. Okay, so kung after 18 years pa i-wi-withdraw yung dividends naman, may 1.2. So let's add, no? Yung 2.1, age 18 niya, pagka hindi winidraw yung mga 86,000 every year, yan yung growth, 2.1. Then additional 1.2 million if hindi pa rin winidraw yung mga dividends yearly niya, no? Okay, so mga nasa for 3 million na yung pwede siya mag-debut that time. O kaya pwede niyong 'pag may mga travel kayo, concert kayo, luho, anything you want. Every year may pan-down kayo ng kotse, pan-down ng kondo, pwede. Any milestone, financial goals gusto niyong ma-achieve niyo basta makapag-save. Sa Sun Legacy na 2 years to pay lang naman. Mabilis ka lang matatapos. So, let's see yung accumulation rate until age 100, 93 million, 93.5 million. And then, let's see next column, total living benefit. Ito na, yung kapag gusto mo na i-terminate, lahat-lahat kukunin mo na to. Ang withdrawable lang dito, para hindi ma-terminate, is yung endowment at dividends accumulation. Pagka kasi ang total living benefit, kasama na dyan yung cash, guaranteed cash value, which is loanable. Okay? Kung niloan mo naman in case of emergency, kailangan ko ng 1 million. O kailangan ko ng 2 million, age 19. So, pwedeng mag-loan. Ibalik mo lang ng mga within 1 year kasi may 8% interest. 8%. Okay, so ang baba nun. Compare natin sa bank, yung interest nun 3% per month. Eh dito 8% per year pa. Kung sa bangko, kung 3% per month, 36% per year. So, mura na dito yung interest. Tapos, hindi ka na mahirapan pa sa approval kahit ganyan kalaki yung ilo-loan. Pagka kailangan mo talaga mag-down sa financial goal na kailangan mo, pwedeng-pwede. Pero, kung hindi naman, pwede mo na i-terminate tong plan at age of 18. Kaya lang, sayang naman yung ma-maximize ng bata till age 100. Kung bata, no? Pero pwede rin ito sa adult hanggang age 55 para umabot pa kasi pwede acceptable pa yung mga age until age 55 para meron pa siyang pension. Kumbaga, every year may nare-receive din siya. 'Di ba? Hindi pa huli ang lahat. So, total living benefit until age 100 is 245,000. Ay, hindi lang thousand, no? Million actually. 245 million. And then next is total death benefit na. Ito, hindi naman natin habol to. Kapag ka nagkaroon na siya ng sariling pamilya, tumataas lang yan. Kasi kung hindi naman i-withdraw yung mga nag-grow na endowment and dividends, at bigla may nangyari sa kanya, okay, secure na yung family niya. Kasi hindi naman na ibibigay din pati yung endowment benefit, yung dividends, kung hindi na-withdraw. So, kaya siya tumataas. Kasi yung tumataas na endowment and dividends, ibibigay sa beneficiary niya. Kaya walang tapon. So, to summarize, this plan is annually 2 million na annual premium. Kung may natutulog kang pera sa bangko na 2 million, so total payment lang dito is 4 million. Okay, and the total benefit of the plan until age, let's say gusto mo i-terminate at the age of ano lang, 20 lang. Di ka naman lugi eh. May 6 million dito. 4 million lang yung nalabas, pero at the age of 20 or after 20 years, 6 million. Kung at the age of 60, nag-grow na ito, 41 million. What if age 100, 245 million? Yung 4 million lang nalabas, 2 years. So, 2 years, kahit gusto mo pa maghulog, after 2 years, di na po pwede. Kumuha ka na lang po ng ibang bagong plan. Okay, so this is the plan, legacy po talaga siya. O kaya kung sa tingin niyo nalalakihan kayo sa benefit, meron pa naman mas mababa dito, let me know. Yung 500,000 coverage, 500,000. Premium, yung minimum. 500,000 times 2, total payment 1 million. So 2 years to pay lang. Yun yung isang plan na mababa. And then mas mataas pa na segment ng plan na 10 million above, 2.25% ng premium pay yun. So, mas mataas ang balik kapag ka 10 million above ang coverage or 10 million plus yung annual premium. So, let me know if you have any questions, kung maliit ba to or kung malaki ba to, nagandahan ka ba sa benefit or gusto mo ng other plan, magpa-discuss ka po or gusto mo ng accurate sa age mo. So, let me know po. Yun lang po. Thank you. Bye.